This is a 2020 Chevy Silverado, the RST package with the 5.3. We just removed the factory rear resonators and the bezels, the factory bezels, and installed some 4-inch dual black tips. Give it a nice quad look, fills up the holes really nice in the back. Also put a single in, single out Magnaflow on there. Just a mellow muffler, give it a nice mellow sound. Left the factory cats on there. The customer doesn't want too much sound, just a little bit of tone, not a whole lot of drone to it. Let's see what it sounds like. Got a little rumble at cold start, not too bad. Kind of settles down. See, it just went through that cold start, mellows it right down. Shouldn't wake up the neighbors too bad with this one.